Alright guys, good morning. So remember how I told you guys in my last vlog, maybe, I don't know, how I ordered some stuff and I was super excited for it to come, and I didn't tell you what it was, but the packages are here and I wanted to quickly show you guys what I got. And today my outfit for school is just this Adidas jacket that has like writing down the sleeves. It's my boyfriend's actually, but I went with him to pick it out, and it is from Adidas obviously, because you can see, and just like a black cami I put, and then some ripped jeans. I have to check this in, but that's my outfit for today, and I told him I was going to be wearing it. I wanted to wear it a lot, and I'm going to be borrowing a lot of his hoodies because they're really nice. But anyways, that's besides the point. I just want to show you my outfit. And my hair's just curly. I missed the straight hair, but honestly I need a little trim. Like my hair got really long, so I think I need a trim. But now let's get into the fun part. So I've been needing a phone case. I even took my phone case off already, but I needed a new phone case because I had that one for a long time, and I did love the pop socket on it and everything. So like honestly, even when I'm laying down and I feel like, oh, I want to use my pop socket like to lean it against something, to watch a show or something, honestly I can just always put that case on really quickly. Like, you know, I just don't want to put a pop socket on this case, and I'll show you why. So got my little package, and I got the Apple case, the silicone one, and I'm really upset just because this color is the pink sand, I think it's called, and I really had my eye on this like baby blue. If you watched my travel vlogs from Florida, I had like a baby blue nail polish, like a nail color, like a really pale blue, and I saw that they had a case like this and it was sold out, and I was like, damn. Like I even called Apple and I was like, oh, like, do you know when you guys are gonna restock? And they're like, oh, maybe in 2 weeks. Like usually our shipments come every 2 weeks, like just, if like I know what you're talking about, just wait. And I was like, okay. So I waited until like the beginning of September, and I checked and they completely took it off of their like selection of colors. So I was like, oh my god, no, like I waited so long. And then there's this other color that I really liked, and they also the same thing, like it was sold out and then they took it off. So I still really like this color, but I just wanted something, I wanted the blue one, so it's just this, the nice pink color. I actually really like it, and let's see, put it on. It's really soft on the inside, and I really wanted to see what these were all about because I know a lot of people have them and they like them and stuff, so I was like, you know what, let me try it. And actually inside is like sturdy and it fits perfectly, and I feel like it looks good on the black, the all black. Oh. I feel like it looks really good on the all black iPhone. I don't know, I like how it looks on the black one better, I feel like, than how it would look on the white one. I don't know, I like it though. So far so good. And I have a glass screen protector, but the edges do come up, so I feel like that's another good point. But yeah, let's see how this does. I'm excited. It looks just very clean, and I wouldn't, oh, that's what I meant to say. I wouldn't put a pop socket on these just because of the material of it. I feel like then if, for example, it starts to fall off, and then after, when it's off, it probably will leave like a mark here and just not feel the same after. So I have to get used to not having a pop socket, but honestly it's not that big of a deal. I like it, and I could just always stand it up against something. It's not that big of a deal. It's not the end of the world. So that was my one order, and my sister was doing a HEYYY candlelight fundraiser, so I got some car fresheners because I recently got a car for school and stuff, and I haven't gotten any like air fresheners for it yet, so I really was like, you know what, this is for a good cause. So let me order some. And it's not like the cardboard ones. I don't know if you know, like the basic like car fresheners, and yeah, they're not that, they're the ultimate car jar ones. They look like that. And yeah, if you guys know, I have said this I think in my other videos, how much I love fall and like fall vibes, like just the smell of fall and like October, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all those stuff. I'm obsessed with everything, like pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks, like all those like seasonal drinks and smells and candles, and I love it all. So I got, of course, I'm trying to open it. It's a variety. It comes with 3 packs, and it was actually such a good price for 3. I went to Rite Aid looking for them, and it was like $5 for one of these, and this was $12 for 3. So it's really good. And I'm trying to open it, and the scents are spiced pumpkin, autumn wreath, and like apple pumpkin. So my car is about to be smelling like Starbucks and just fall, and it's gonna smell so like that, like just that, like I don't know, cozy vibe to it. I literally can't open this. I want to see which one I'm gonna hang in my car today when I'm in school, and I'll show you guys. Let's see when I hang it. This is like not opening legit. I need a scissor. I'll be right back. Right, we're back. I was able. Where'd it go? Okay. It's so cute. This one is the spiced pumpkin. It is so cute. Wow. And then it's just gonna hang. It smells like fall. I don't know. Whatever. I'll think about it and I'll keep you guys updated when I go to my car. Which today is going to be such a chill day because I only have 1 class today and I have math, but like we're probably going to end early in that class. The only annoying thing is, since I usually have my composition class after it, I do have to go to meet with her for literally 5 minutes. We're doing like a conference for essays, but it's literally 5-minute intervals, so mine's at 4 to 4:05. So I have to do that, but that'll be obviously fast, and then so it's basically I only have 1 class today, which is amazing. But yeah, so I just wanted to unbox this with you guys, and I'm gonna definitely think about it and I'll update you guys when I am in my car and which one I decide to use. But that was my little haul for you guys. It was very, very little. I really wanted to show you guys so far. And right now I have to fill out my psychology study guide because I have a quiz tomorrow, and I had a math quiz this week and I got a 92, so that was really awesome. So I need to do good on this, so I have to fill that out, and I don't have to leave today until like 1 o'clock, so I have a nice morning to just chill. And soon coming up, I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day vlog. I mean, what I eat in a day video, so it's going to be amazing. And today's Thursday. Well, when you guys see this, it'll be obviously not Thursday, but Thursday is the day today, and that means a new video is going to be uploaded today, so make sure you check that video out. And yeah, so I'll update you guys later and vlog today because I'm doing a couple things today, so it should be a nice chill day. And it's chilly outside today, that's why I'm wearing the sweater. It's literally like 60 degrees, which is amazing. Yesterday was like really hot and like gross, and I was like, really, like we're not going backwards, like let's get into fall already. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright guys, I want to light this little candle while I do my work. Just because it smells so good, and it's like, you know, fall. And I have my little water here on this coaster. Alright guys, I just took out my psychology review, and it's not that much, but like the first page is definitely really, really easy. Just from looking at it, I can tell. And a good thing that I did, I don't know if you guys remember when I did my little back to school supply haul. Honestly, getting so many folders for each class really is helpful, because now I figured out like what color is which class, and it's just so much better for organizing that they get their own folder. So right now I'm just gonna look in my notes from psychology and try to fill this out, and I also have the textbook, so I'm gonna just get after it and hopefully be done with this by like 10:45 the latest. It shouldn't take me that long, but that's what I want to accomplish right now. Finished doing my psychology and it is 11:30. It took me a little longer than I thought, just because some of the stuff I couldn't find and I had to like go more in depth with it. So right now I'm starving. My stomach is literally growling, and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast and I'll show you guys what I make, but I'm not gonna like, I'll show you when I'm eating it, like what I made, but I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day video for you guys next week, so I'm not gonna go too much into depth of what I'll be like eating and like how I make it, what I use, blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna go and make it really quickly and fill up my water to have more water and just relax. Guys, I'm now going to pick out the freshener. I think I'm gonna do spice pumpkin. And I'm gonna keep the rest in like a little bag so that they don't just toss that away. My battery's dying. How sad. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I have to put it around the whole thing. Alright, that's what it looks like. I don't want to show you this thing. This is what it looks like. It's just hanging on this little thing. And it's so cute. And I'm now going to school, and I love the weather outside right now. It is 73 degrees, and this is what makes me happy because it is not hot, it's not really cold, it's like perfect sweater weather, and it's 1:08, and I'll be back here by like 4:20. Well, I'm going to my high school volleyball game. Well, the high school that I went to, their team is playing today, and I played volleyball all 4 years of high school, if you didn't know that. So I'm going to go watch the volleyball game because they're playing like our rival, whatever. So I want to go watch that. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated along my day, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, new day, new outfit, new me. No, I'm kidding. But it's a whole another day after, I think the last part I filmed was me in my car like putting the air freshener that I chose, and update on that. It smells so freaking good. Like my car just smells like so cozy and like homey. I don't know, I just love the smell. Since I picked the spiced pumpkin one, so good. And now that it's like officially fall, it's literally fall weather. It's like windy and like chilly, and I love wearing hoodies, as you can see in like literally this vlog. I wore the green sweater and I'm wearing this hoodie, but I love like fall, like I'm obsessed, and I can't wait to film my like cozy night routine, so that's coming soon. But yeah, I didn't film, like I went to the volleyball game like I said, which was really fun. We won and everything. I just didn't want to film for obvious reasons, like I'm not going to show that because of like where I am and stuff, but it was really fun. And all of that, and my phone case, I'm obsessed with it. I've gotten used to it already, because my old phone, like I said, I had the pop socket and everything, and this phone obviously I don't, and I wouldn't put one on here, but I really like it. I don't know, it's just so clean looking, which I really like. But I just wanted to end off this little vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, and if you haven't seen the video that I was talking about, like why I started YouTube, you should definitely go check that out. I'll have that at the end of the video if you want to check it out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.